you want to click on the transactions option at the left side of the screen, which will open up a list of the transactions like payments, payouts, top-up, transfers, and so on your own Stripe account. And you may then select which payment, purchase, or order from your client that you want to refund. And after that, you want to tap on these 3 points besides that specific transaction. Then you want to click on the refund payment. This window will appear and you may decide how much the refund you want to give to your customer. For example, my client just paid 2,000 bucks in a full payment. So if I want to customize the amount, I can insert any amount of the money to partially give it back to my client. So let's hit the 200 bucks. And don't forget to select the reason behind the refund. After you are sure with everything, click on the refund button over here. Keep in mind that Stripe does not return its processing fees when you issue a refund, meaning your business still covers that initial transaction cost. As you can see over here, I completed the custom refund because it says partial refund. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.